Kicking off our lineup is the Stabila Tech 196DL/MDL, a digital level designed for absolute accuracy. This smart tool features dual digital displays that instantly illuminate the moment you turn them on. You can easily switch between degrees, percentages, and fractions for versatile layout tasks. The ultra-strong rare earth magnets embedded in the base provide a secure, hands-free grip on steel beams. Acoustic guidance lets you hear when you hit dead level without taking your eyes off your work. It is completely dust and waterproof, guaranteeing survival in the harshest job site conditions. While this handles complex angles, our next tool measures straight lines quickly. For reliable daily measuring tasks, the Stabila Pocket Tape BM300 stands out with incredible durability and ergonomic design. Housed in a shatterproof casing with a shock-absorbent grip, it easily survives drops on concrete floors. The specially coated blade resists heavy abrasion, ensuring the high-contrast scale remains perfectly readable for years. You will appreciate the extra-large hook equipped with spikes coating, which completely prevents slipping on smooth materials. Pushing the limits of compact convenience, this tape measure slips easily into your tool belt. Let's look at another pocket-sized powerhouse next. The Stabila Pocket PRO Magnetic Spirit Level is a miniature lifesaver for professionals needing accuracy in tight, awkward spaces. Despite its incredibly small footprint, it features a heavy-duty aluminum core and a precisely milled measuring surface. You can snap it securely onto any steel element thanks to the rare earth magnet, freeing up both hands completely. It is the perfect companion for leveling electrical backboxes, aligning small fixtures, or checking quick plumbing connections. A robust clip secures it firmly, ensuring you never walk back to your toolbox. Next, let's tackle heavy scaffolding. The Series 81 SVREM Torpedo level is engineered specifically for the extreme demands of metal construction and scaffolding. Its unique die-cast aluminum profile features a deep V-groove that completely hugs pipes for unshakable, rock-solid stability. Equipped with an exceptionally strong rare earth magnet system, it securely grips vertical metal posts seamlessly. The distinctive trapezoidal shape makes it incredibly easy to hold, even when wearing thick, heavy-duty work gloves. Because it is built like an absolute tank, it effortlessly shrugs off heavy impacts and vibrations. Long-distance layout requires an entirely different approach. Stepping up to extensive layout tasks, the STABILA closed case tape LBM 2000 offers professional-grade measuring in a protective shell. The closed case design brilliantly shields the heavy-duty fiberglass blade from mud, dirt, and damaging job site debris. It features a universal hook with the innovative spikes coating, allowing one person to secure the end effortlessly. The ergonomic capsule casing ensures a highly comfortable grip during extended measuring sessions, reducing hand fatigue significantly. Retracting the long tape is an absolute breeze thanks to the smooth-running drum mechanism. Let's shift to advanced laser technology next. The Stabila LAX 320G crossline laser takes interior layout to the next level with brilliant green beam technology. Because human eyes perceive green light exceptionally well, these laser lines remain razor-sharp and visible in bright rooms. It projects clear vertical and horizontal lines that intersect perfectly, creating an immediate crosshair on your work surface. The energy-saving technology ensures you can work through extended shifts without constantly swapping out batteries. Setting up drop ceilings, aligning tiles, or installing cabinetry becomes incredibly fast and virtually error-free. Capturing precise room dimensions requires a digital touch. When you need exact room dimensions instantly, the Stabila LD 530BT laser distance measurer is your ultimate digital companion. It features an integrated digital target locator with a sharp color display to pinpoint targets precisely in glaring sunlight. The built-in Bluetooth technology allows you to instantly transfer your measurements to your smartphone for seamless workflow integration. You get a comprehensive suite of calculating functions, including area, volume, and complex Pythagoras measurements right away. It completely eliminates the need for walking back and forth with a traditional tape. Let's bring out the big guns outdoors. Commanding the outdoors, the STABILA LAR 160 is a fully automatic rotation laser built to endure the harshest exterior environments. Its comprehensive shock-absorbent STABILA protector system ensures it confidently survives heavy drops from a tripod without skipping a beat. You can execute horizontal, vertical, and plumbline tasks with absolute confidence over an enormous working area seamlessly. The intuitive 4-button control panel makes it remarkably easy for anyone on the crew to set up quickly. Working alongside its high-performance receiver, it guarantees millimeter precision across vast distances. Now, let's look at traditional land measuring. For surveyors facing the elements, the STIBA Open Reel Tape LBM 1000 provides rugged, foul-weather measuring capability instantly. The Y-frame design is crafted from high-impact plastic, keeping the overall weight down while offering a remarkably sturdy grip. Because the reel is completely open, dirt and moisture from wet blades easily fall away rather than getting trapped inside. The heavy-duty fiberglass blade powerfully resists stretching, ensuring your 100-foot measurements remain completely true year after year. The robust metal crank allows for rapid rewinding, getting you packed up fast. Moving indoors requires highly adaptable tools. The Stabila Type 80T extendable level is an absolute game-changer for tradesmen encountering constantly changing dimensions on the job. Instead of carrying multiple levels, this single tool seamlessly extends to fit the exact opening you are actively working on. The high-quality extension mechanism glides smoothly and locks firmly into place, ensuring the profile remains perfectly rigid at all times. A printed scale on the top edge allows you to measure and mark off internal dimensions simultaneously. It is the perfect all-in-one solution for installing custom cabinetry effortlessly. Let's look at taking extensions to new heights. Taking adaptability to the extreme, the Telescopic Spirit Level Type 106TM is designed specifically for massive drywall installations. This heavy-duty multi-chamber aluminum profile extends massively, allowing you to easily span entire floor-to-ceiling heights with a single tool. The rare earth magnets embedded in the measuring surface provide an incredibly strong hold against vertical metal studs for hands-free operation. Because of its extreme length, the rigid double-chamber profile beautifully ensures no deflection ruins your critical framing measurements. Standoffs on the profile allow you to bypass uneven wall anomalies flawlessly. Now, something tailored explicitly for electricians. Electricians will love the Stabila Pocket Electric Spirit Level, designed specifically to make switch and socket installation incredibly fast. This clever little tool features a recess perfectly shaped for standard screwdrivers, allowing you to adjust everything simultaneously. The powerful rare earth magnet snaps securely onto the metal frame of the switch, freeing up both of your hands instantly. Its extra-large, easily readable vial ensures your electrical boxes look perfectly aligned with just a very quick glance. The compact size means it slides cleanly right into your busy pocket. Next, multidirectional lasers for complex room layouts. The Stabila LAX 600 multi-line lasers redefine complex room layouts by projecting 3 razor-sharp 360-degree lines simultaneously across spaces. Powered by cutting-edge CAS 12-volt battery technology, this laser guarantees long runtimes, so you never lose your layout mid-job. The brilliant green laser diodes cast incredibly clear lines across the floor, walls, and ceiling, forming precise 90-degree angles. You can easily partition rooms, align massive floor tile grids, and transfer plumb points from floor to ceiling effortlessly. Its micro-adjustable base allows you to fine-tune the lines perfectly without shifting setups. Let's appreciate a classic profile next. The Stabila Series 70 is the quintessential traditional spirit level that has earned its place in millions of toolboxes worldwide. Featuring a smooth, rectangular aluminum profile, it is incredibly lightweight and remarkably easy to maneuver for continuous daily tasks. The electrostatic powder coating makes the surface highly resistant to scratches and incredibly easy to clean after messy plastering jobs. Both the vertical and horizontal vials are permanently cast into the block, ensuring lifelong accuracy without ever needing tedious recalibration. It is the perfect, reliable workhorse for straightforward, undeniable, everyday precision. Let's switch back to digital angle calculation. The Stabila Tech 700DA is a brilliant 3-in-1 tool that functions as a digital angle finder, level, and bevel. It features 2 wide contact edges that allow you to capture both internal and external angles with absolute digital precision. The electronic module instantly displays the exact angle on a clear screen, saving you from doing complex math on site. You can easily lock the arms in place to transfer your calculated angle directly onto your workpiece for flawless cutting. This is the ultimate layout tool for carpenters building highly intricate, complex structures. Now, a masterclass in premium block levels. The Stabila ProSet 88SM offers a masterclass in leveling with a comprehensive set of premium magnetic aluminum profiles. This set flawlessly equips you with multiple lengths, ensuring you have the perfectly sized tool for small fixtures to wide doorways. Each level features Stabila's legendary locked-in vial system, confidently guaranteeing that the bubble will never fog or lose precision. The incredibly strong rare earth magnets provide a hands-free grip on steel surfaces, which is an absolute necessity for modern metalwork. Wrapped up in a durable branded carrying case, this set keeps everything protected. Shifting to dedicated flooring work, we have a unique laser. The Stabila FLS 90 Floorline Laser is an absolute necessity for anyone laying down complex tile, hardwood, or laminate grids. Its unique dual-purpose base features claws that grip securely onto flat surfaces, and it easily rests over the edge of tiles. It projects a perfect 90-degree angle right onto the floor, allowing you to confidently check the squareness of an entire room. The laser lines are exceptionally thin and crisp, making it incredibly easy to align your first critical row of flooring flawlessly. It eliminates the need for messy chalk lines that easily rub away. Finally, our ultimate multi-purpose laser rounds out the list. Concluding our lineup, the STABILA LAX 500G is the ultimate multi-purpose laser powered by brilliant green beam technology. It provides a full 360-degree horizontal line alongside 2 distinct vertical lines, perfectly mapping out a room with undeniable precision. The integrated Bluetooth module allows you to easily control the laser remotely from your smartphone, preventing accidental bumping during adjustments. Its innovative rotatable platform makes aligning the vertical lines incredibly smooth, ensuring perfect 90-degree room partitioning every single time. The IP65 rating safely guarantees it is completely dustproof and waterproof for chaotic sites. That's our ultimate Stabila lineup. Drop a comment below with your favorite tool from today's video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Top Tech Tools for more incredible gear. And I'll see you in the next one.